In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a banner on Squarespace. Creating an attractive banner for your Squarespace website is not only easy, but it's also a fantastic way to grab your visitors' attention right off the bat. Whether you're showcasing your brand, a special offer, or an important message, a banner is a perfect tool. Let's dive into how you can create your own banner in about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace homepage. Once there, you will see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers a few ways to log in, but for simplicity, choose Continue with Google to use your Google account for a speedy sign-in process. Select the Google account you want to use for this, assuming you have more than one. After you're logged in, it's time to get to your website. On Squarespace, every user has a dashboard that's specific to their sites. If you have more than one site, make sure you select the correct one you want to add a banner to. Next, you'll want to enter the editing mode of your website to make changes. Look for the Edit button or simply click on the site preview. Your website will then reload in an editable format where you can make live changes. Every Squarespace site is organized into sections. To add a banner, you'll need to identify the section where you want the banner to appear. Once you've found the right spot, it's time to add a new block by clicking on Add Block. Squarespace offers a variety of blocks for different content types, but for our banner, you'll click on the image option since banners are typically image based. Now you've got your image block, but it's likely not the right size. No worries, resizing is a breeze. Click and drag the corners of the image block to fit your desired banner size. Remember, the size of your banner can significantly impact its effectiveness, so think about what you're aiming to achieve with your banner when adjusting its size. The core of your banner will be an appealing image that conveys your message. To add this, click on the plus icon located at the center of the new image block. This will open your device's file picker. From here, browse through your files until you find the perfect image for your banner. Click to select it, then hit open to upload it to your Squarespace site. With your image uploaded, you're nearly there. The last step is to click on Save to confirm your changes, and just like that, you've successfully created a banner for your Squarespace site. Make sure to preview your website to see how it looks live, and feel free to adjust the size or position of your banner if necessary. Creating a banner on Squarespace is not just easy, it's also a powerful way to make your site more engaging and professional looking. With these simple steps, you can significantly enhance your website's appearance and effectiveness in capturing your audience's attention. Remember, the key to a great banner is not just the imagery, but also making sure it's perfectly integrated within your site's design and messaging. That wraps up our guide. With these tips, you're well on your way to designing banners that not only look great but also serve a purpose. Happy designing,